If you love juicy, cheesy and flavorful burgers, then this recipe is just for you. It's quick, easy and perfect for dinner or even a small party. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. I am taking 250 gram of boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, garlic and ginger paste 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon oregano. Now I am mixing everything very well so that each piece of chicken gets coated with the spices. This step makes the chicken soft, juicy after cooking. Keep it aside for at least 15 minutes. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan on low flame. Add the chicken pieces and spread them evenly. Cover the pan with a lid. Let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, I will cut the burger buns into halves. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. After that, open the lid to check if it is fully cooked inside. When the chicken is cooked, add 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Then add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped coriander leaves and half cup of chopped onion. Mix everything well so the sauce coats the chicken nicely. Now add mozzarella cheese on top of the mixture. Cover the pan for 2 minutes on low flame. The cheese will melt and mix with the chicken, making it creamy and cheesy. Now heat a tawa and add 2 tablespoons of butter. I am also adding 2 teaspoons of chopped coriander leaves to the butter for extra flavor. Now I will place the burger buns on the tawa and roast both sides until golden brown. This makes the buns soft inside and crispy outside. Now remove the buns. Take the bottom half of each roasted bun and spread some mayonnaise over it. Now place some cheesy chicken filling on top. Cover it with the other half of the bun. Gently press the bun so everything stays together. Now the homemade cheesy chicken burgers are ready. This is soft, juicy and full of flavor. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.